Another day and another important airdrops update for all of you. We have a very important update while I was editing this video, and it is from the Lens protocol itself. They have released their own Zora. We can't give you KOLs, but we will give you Zorbs. Mint your Lens network commemorative Zorb on our Zora. Lens protocol is a very famous 420,000 protocols and people following it, so make sure to go and mint it. Make sure to go and do it right now. You only got 30 days, which could be a multiplier, which could be many things, but it has been tweeted out from their official protocol, from their official Twitter. So please make sure to go and do it, and do not fade this NFT. Zora NFTs are very important. As we see here, 0.0007 ETH, which is $2. Make sure to get it. Keep it there because it could be really important for airdrop or airdrop multipliers. Stacking B1.2 has launched. You can also earn the OP rewards. I will leave you the mode link down below. If you want to go and join, you simply need to bridge from one ecosystem, from Ethereum to mode, stake them, have them in your wallet, and you are good to go. But I will also read you the stake mode for 200,000 in OP incentivized, so you can earn also more, as we see over here. The program will initially run for 10 weeks starting from yesterday that this video has launched, with 20,000 OP available each week, which means a total of 200,000 OP, not dollars. Mode stakers can get a share of 20,000 OP tokens available each week based on the amount of the duration of the mode stake. How does staking work? You can stake mode tokens by visiting the stacking section of the mode dashboard. Now, with mode, when you earn the mode airdrop, for example, over here, you do earn the mode season 2 airdrop by bridging Ethereum from the Ethereum chain all the way to mode, as we see over here. You get 70 points. But we have, however, received the mode airdrop. And if you want to go down here, there is this stacking possibility. So simply click on whichever mode or the amount of mode that you want to go and stake them. Click on approve, as we see over here, and you will be able to go and approve them, switch the network, go over to the mode ecosystem, as we see over here. I was on the Linea one all the way to the mode one. Click on approve, and you will have the possibility to go and insert them and add them to the stacking situation. Click on approve, it's already approved, processing, and now simply click on absolutely yes. Stake tokens over here as we have them. Now I am using this one just to showcase you. You can also use less or more, no, not less, probably less is a little bit less, but you will be able to have more. And by this one, you are entering into OP, possibility to earn 20,000 of the OP every week. And this is how you do it for the first step. Next up, I want to talk to you about the Pump.fun exploit, which has happened. So the community is behind it. We got Margin5 supporting it. So a lot of people are actually supporting this project in terms of rewarding and giving back to the community that lost their funds. So if you are part of it, let me know down in the comments below. And I will also tell you how to move forward, but you can go and simply, I will leave you their official Twitter down below. They have talked about it already. We are aware that the Pump.fun bonding curve contracts have been compromised and are investing in the matters. And a lot of protocols, I did see also the possibility from Margin5 to go and support them, to give the funds back, to bring back to the people the money that they lost. And it does look like a little bit of an insider job in terms that they have lost the access to the wallet and therefore the money has been stolen. But if you are by any way, means or form affected by it, let me know down in the comments below. Following up, we got the claim of the Rabby wallet points before the end of the month. It is very important that you go and do it. We got the Rabby wallet points are live. I personally do not farm the Rabby wallet. If you do farm it, let me know down in the comments below. And please also let me know how you find it. Is it a good wallet? Is it better than MetaMask? It's better than, Phantom? What's the criteria for it? And why do you like it? Let me know down in the comments below, because I do not utilize it. And also the new user, if you haven't done it yet, new user can import wallet and check also there if some criteria for the airdrop. But you have the possibility to download Rabby. You can import your Ethereum wallet, which means that you can import your MetaMask, also the swaps and holding the Rabby Genesis NFT. You have the Rabby point system and you can claim your points. And it does look like I have seen it quite a while, this Rabby wallet. I personally see over here on the top, I personally do not have it. I got different wallets, MetaMask, Argent, Venom, and so on, but I do not have the wallet for the Rabby one over here. And I actually don't think that a wallet airdrop could be this big. but of course I could be wrong. Next up, we have a very important update on a protocol that we have talked a lot about, and this is the Jupiter protocol. And what is the important thing here that I want to talk to you about? Well, as we see over here, the active staking rewards for the LFG launch but will be distributed in July. And what does it mean by it? Well, the possibility to receive this one is what we have seen already in the video. We've seen how to earn the airdrop with the swaps, with the limit order, swapping in and out from tokens to token on a daily basis, making as much volume as you can. And the other thing with the perpetual, which by the way, I do have a position, and let me know what you think about it. I have a long position, as we see over here, of a 5x to the Solana, which I do think it's gonna probably go down, and I will add more position if it does go down, but I do see it going up. In my opinion, it is really, really good for. But when it comes to the Jupiter airdrop, if we go over here to the kitty and then over to the governance, here we have the voting power. So we do stake Jupiter to go and receive the airdrop. And as we see over here, it is very important that we receive the airdrop, and it is over here that we were talking about it. And we have stackers will receive 50 million Jupiter tokens, 7.5 billion WEN tokens. So they also talk about the calculation of this, and there's other possibility of airdrop. We got Zeus, Sharky, UPT, and more. And talking about the airdrop allocation, how is it measured and how are we gonna receive the Jupiter airdrop over on July? Well, we got the voting power for the Jupiter token, which are 30 million. For every, you get 0.12 Jupiter for every stack Jupiter. So I will potentially get, let's say it's 10, I will get 25 Jupiter tokens. So the more you have, the more allocation you will receive. Then you also have the possibility of the WEN token. You will get 17 WEN token, which are valued at 0.003 for every Jupiter stack. In this case, I will be receiving, let's point it by 10, I would say by 10, I would get approximately 2,500 token, approximately 3,000 token. Not a lot, but it's still for simply staking Jupiter, which it also gives you the possibility for the Jupiter Season 2 in January 2025 to receive it. It will give you the possibility to earn extra rewards for free. They're not extremely, I mean, if you have a vast amount of Jupiter stack, then yes, it is a very good possibility to earn. But there are a lot of opportunities, which I will leave you this tweet down below if you want to go and check it out, if you want to calculate a little bit more. Of course, this one is made by Fabiano.sol over here. So it is also kind of like a speculation. It's probably not going to be the exact number, but it does give you a very good idea on how this number could work and how much you could benefit from it, which is important to see. Following up, we got the possibility to claim the Drift airdrop. Now, I, for some reason, I'm not able to go and receive the airdrop. I don't know about you, but if I check the eligibility, as we see here, I am not eligible. I actually thought I were, but I am not. Yet the price of Drift has, since you watched this video, yes, it is a couple of hours late, but it's from the actual live. I do think it has gone down pretty bad. Like, I do think it went from $1, and then let me go and see if I can check it out over on Jupiter. It was at $1, and at time of recording this video, if we go over here to Drift, where is it? Drift over here. If they've got it, they do have it. Yes, understood. One Drift is approximately 29 cents. In my opinion, it will recover. Like recently, we see the airdrop just going down and plummeting down, but I do think that it will recover eventually in the future. Absolutely, yes. So to buy it now low, or maybe make it even go lower to then go even higher, it could potentially be a play that I will be looking for. Next up, we got the distribution of 1.46 million gold to 63,000 D1 users. If you are a District 1 user over on the Blast ecosystem, you will receive the gold. And what do I mean by it? Well, if we see over here, if you go to the Blast ecosystem, which I personally interact with because of the Moon airdrop, I do also have some gold tokens or some gold coins, whatever you're gonna call it, Blast gold over here. I've got 22. I got an amount of points, and I do receive the gold by doing what? Well, I received the point system over here, and I do receive the gold and the points by interacting with the Pac-Man token over here, which I have talked about a lot in the channel, and you can find more video over on my Twitter. But the Blast Gold evaluation and the estimate over here, it is very important for the Blast airdrop, which is going to come in June 26. We covered that in yesterday's video, so make sure to go and check it. And it is going to come. And the Blast Gold, the more Blast Gold you're going to have, the higher the possibility you have for the Blast L2 airdrop over on June, which you're still able to go and claim it. But a lot of protocols get a random proportion of gold tokens here and there, so it is important to go and check it out and keep on earning it. Next up, the update that I wanted to talk about the most, and this is the Linea airdrop. Now, the Linea possibility of the Surge or the LXP token, for better to say, we have covered it and it is now live. And as we did mention over here, it was very important to have 0.1 ETH, which is what I did insert into the Stargate contract, at least to receive the points. And as we see over here, they have said that the Linea Blast is a point-driven program to provide you with LXPL tokens for having access over on Linea. It will last for 6 months or until they reach 3 billion market cap. And here we see that users with existing liquidity of 0.1 ETH in any position before the last block of May 15, so before yesterday, we will receive an early adopter modifier for the LXPL in Vault. And over here, if we go to Stargate Finance, we have already talked about it, we did say it, and we did mention it to go and put on the pool if you had the possibility financially, of course, because potentially, or maybe not everybody had the possibility to do it, but if you had the possibility, it was to go and invest 0.1 over on their liquidity. And we did talk about it, we did do it, and we do have it over here. Over on the Linea, we have 0.1, as we see, which is right there. It's pool tokens of 0.11 ETH. And we're gonna receive the multiplier coming from the airdrop as well. Now, the point system is not yet live. This is the supercharged, the ecosystem dashboard over here, and this is the open block, which we will have the total user participating, the total point distribution, and the average point ending with all of the infos. You are still in time to go and join this. You still need to go and activate your wallet, as they do mention over here, and I will leave you my referral link down below if you want to join. But it is very, very important that you go and do it before it ends. The Linea airdrop is coming, the point system is gonna come here, and potentially how to go and earn the token. Well, kind of like what Scroll is doing right now, simply by interacting with the protocol, yes, but also by putting your token over on Linea, which could be a really interesting thing, because by simply providing liquidity to Linea, not even just by depositing your tokens into your Linea ecosystem over on your MetaMask wallet, it will provide you to receive more points. But more information will be there soon, very, very soon. But we got the LXPL, the point system designed to for the liquidity on the Linea during the surge, monitor the LXP, and we got the 6 volts. You can bring liquidity and get the LXP. During the surge, you collect the LXPL token by bridging liquidity and managing it in a passive or active position on our network, which means simply store it in your Linea wallet over on MetaMask instead of, for example, leaving it on Arbitrum, or leaving it on Optimism, or leaving it on Ethereum. Simply leave them on Linea. This is what they're saying. Simply leave them on Linea, which is potentially the same approach that Scroll is utilizing now to go and earn their marks even more. So which one do you pick? 50-50? Do you put more on Linea? Do you believe more on Scroll? It is up to you, and it will be nice to go and see. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you all in tomorrow's video, and have a good one. Ciao, guys.